Ladies and gentlemen, yo, what's up? My name is Trọng I'm 9 years old and I'm from Vietnam. Today I am showing how to make a very authentic fried rice. Hey, that is even better than takeout. And here are the ingredients. First we have rice. Jasmine and Yugal are the two best options. Eggs, shrimp, cooked shrimp, salami, chicken, boneless chicken. This is the chicken breast. You can spring onion and minced onions. And those are the ingredients. Here's how to make it.
First, you beat the eggs.
First, you season the salami and chicken with dark soy sauce. Don't add too much or it will get too moist, sweat out too much moisture when frying. I'm seriously not copycatting. Then you beat the eggs and scramble them until they don't look mushy anymore. That is when you put the rice in and mix it with the egg and until all of the grains look yellowish.
What does it mean, yellowish?
Yellowish means
on the rice are coated
in eggs.
Okay.
Then you can you can make a separate. You can put the salami and chicken and boneless chicken in a wok. You put vegetable oil and heat it up before you put the salami and chicken. After they are very heated up, turn on the wok and put salt and pepper in. Then back at the rice. Now we put the onions in. But here's the last part, putting the shrimp in because they are already cooked. I hope it is better than takeout. If it is worse than takeout, don't worry, I will make a better fried rice. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Properly, and I'm going to put the egg in. Help me, Mom. Help!
Try it.
Is it how I do it?
Yes. You can pour the whole bowl of egg into the wok. Quickly.
What? Mom, is it how I do it?
Yes.
Is it enough?
Yes. Okay.
Here, what do I do next? After the egg is not mushy anymore, scramble it. Ow, ow, ow! Next, put more peanut oil into the wok and pour a whole dump of onions into the wok.
Onion?
Of shallot. I mean shallot.
And
garlic. Here is a garlic here.
No. The chopsticks. And stir it.
Take the chopstick out and stir it thoroughly with stir it.
Now let's change the way you hold the chopsticks, Kenta. Okay, good. Yes. Stir it.
No!
Until it turns what color?
Yeah, it looks yellowish. Let's make it. Ow! Do I put it? Let's put the chicken in. Let's see. Next, do the same thing to the salami.
Salami. Good. Okay, well done, Kenta.
After you put the chicken and salami, put the shrimp. This pans the shrimp in it. Do it carefully so the shrimp don't end up out of the wok.
Next,
there.
Onion.
Put this onion?
Yes.
There. Then I will be mixing the foods the wok together, and there you go. Is it enough?
Okay. Next.
Okay, here. Next, put some soy sauce into the marinade, the mixture. Be careful, or it will get too salty when you eat it. Is it enough?
Okay, stir it quickly.
Okay, fine. Okay, once everything looks fully cooked, this is when you can put the rice in. Be careful so no grain falls out of
You can use the chopsticks to put it, okay, in the wok.
Let's stir it for 3 minutes. Be careful not to launch anything out of the wok.
Then?
There. Is it enough?
Yes, put.
When everything is fully cooked, you can pour the egg into the wok. Be careful so no egg falls out of the wok. There you go. Last but not least, let me drain myself. Ow!
What is it?
It is a pea.
Good. You put the pea.
Oh my god. And oh my god. It is so good already. The shrimp! Finally, for the love of God, for the onions.
Spring onions.
Carefully pour the shrimp. Spring onions into the wok. Be careful. But the grains must be coated in egg.
Finished.
And here's the final product of our fried rice. It looks so yummy, succulent and juicy. taste it. There you spit at the rice. Oh my god, it looks so yummy in my mind. Thank you, God. Succulent.
So what do you think?
Yum, yum, yum. Succulent and juicy.